If you keep saying LOL in conversations, you instantly sound less mature and less articulate. High-level English speakers don't rely on texting slang. Watch carefully. Subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. LOL is lazy language. It replaces emotion instead of expressing it. If something is funny, awkward, surprising, or embarrassing, say exactly what you mean. Here are 6 strong upgrades. 1. When something is funny, instead of LOL, say, "That's hilarious." "That's really funny." "I found that amusing." "That genuinely made me laugh." Example: "That genuinely made me laugh, because it was so unexpected." 2. When you're nervous, some people say LOL as a filler. Replace with, "To be honest." "Actually." "Well." "Let me think for a second." Example: "Well, I've never really thought about that before." This sounds controlled, not awkward. 3. When something is awkward, instead of nervous laughter plus LOL, say, "That was a bit awkward." "It was slightly embarrassing." "I felt a little uncomfortable." "It caught me off guard." Example: "It caught me off guard, so I didn't know how to react." 4. When something is surprising, instead of LOL, "That's crazy," say, "That's unexpected." "That's surprising." "I didn't see that coming." "That's quite shocking." Example: "I didn't see that coming at all." 5. When you're softening your tone, some people use LOL to avoid sounding too serious. Instead, use, "I suppose," "I guess," "maybe," "kind of." Example: "I suppose it depends on the situation." That sounds natural, not childish. 6. When reacting casually, instead of typing or saying LOL, say, "Fair enough." "That makes sense." "I see what you mean." "That's interesting." Example: "I see what you mean, and I actually agree with you." This shows maturity and engagement. Hidden rule: advanced speakers describe emotion precisely. Beginner speakers replace emotion with slang. Precision equals stronger vocabulary. Control equals better impression. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.